Warm greetings to you, dear children. We hope all of you are doing well. Today, we are going to have another session on our environment. Previously, we learnt about environment. Environment includes everything living and non-living things in our surroundings. We also have learnt about air pollution and water pollution. We learnt that air pollution is caused because of following reasons: due to increase in the number of automobiles, air pollution has become a major issue these days, as the fumes released consist of many harmful gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. Besides this, factories also release toxic gas such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and fluoride gases. These are called greenhouse gases, which trap heat of the sun and increase the temperature of our atmosphere. We also learnt that air pollution destroys ozone layer, which is a gaseous layer that protects the harmful rays from the sun to reach the earth. As a result of these greenhouse gases, there is increase in Earth's average temperature. This is known as global warming. We also learnt how acids are formed in the atmosphere when some of the gases dissolve in water. Similarly, water gets polluted by so many human activities such as bathing, washing clothes, and letting of household waste into the water, etc. Industrial waste, including harmful chemicals, are released in the water bodies, which pollute the water bodies and cause harm to aquatic and human life. In today's session, let us learn about land pollution, noise pollution, and deforestation. Land pollution means the presence of unwanted and harmful chemicals on land. It occurs mainly due to the direct or indirect human activities like dumping garbage, household waste, and other harmful substances, making the land contaminated or polluted. Plastic bottles, aluminum cans, and plastic bags left lying in an open or public place, and waste that is washed ashore from boats, oil rigs, and sewage outlets. Fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides also contribute to land pollution. Sources of land pollution. Land pollution is mainly due to the following causes. First, industrial waste. Waste such as chemicals, paints, ash, containers, glassware, plastic, etc. Second, Agricultural practices. These include waste matter produced by cutting of crops, animal manure, and farm residues. They also include the chemicals from all pesticides, fertilizers, and insecticides used for agricultural activities. Harmful effects of land pollution. Pollution makes the land a breeding ground for harmful insects, germs, etc. Pollution of land leads to a loss of fertile land for agriculture. Climate change, which causes disastrous problems like flash floods and irregular rainfalls, and weather changes. Useful microorganisms, worms, insects present in the soil are killed. Prevention of land pollution. People should not cut trees for making furniture and for construction of houses, industries, etc. Biodegradable products should be used. If a material is biodegradable, it means that it can be acted on by microorganisms and turned into less harmful substances. Plastic bags should be avoided. Instead, biodegradable products like paper or cloth bags must be used, as these can be recycled. Industries should treat the waste and make them safe before disposing them. Do not dispose motor oil on land. We know how useful plants are. When plants are cut or forests are cleaned, it is called deforestation. Deforestation is the permanent removal of trees to make room for something besides forest. This includes clearing the land for agriculture, industries, or using the timber for fuel, construction, or manufacturing. Harmful effects of deforestation. As trees help in the formation of rain clouds, it disrupts water cycle and carbon cycle. Loss of biodiversity. The variety of plants and animals in a place like forest, desert, sea, pond, lake, etc. forms the biodiversity of that place. Because of deforestation, an imbalance among plants and animals is created. Soil erosion means removal of fertile soil by the rain and wind. Noise pollution. The disturbance produced in the environment by loud and harsh sounds from various sources is called noise pollution. During Diwali and other grand occasions, people burst crackers, which pollute the environment with sound and gases. This causes a real threat for the people suffering from asthma, high blood pressure, and heart diseases. Sources of noise pollution. Traffic noise because of honking of vehicles, aircraft at the time of landing and takeoff, construction activities, industrial activities such as coal and petroleum mines, loudspeakers or public address system during festivals, firecrackers, etc. Harmful effects of noise pollution: lack of concentration, blood pressure increases. Deafness is caused especially in young children and elderly people. Fatigue, which causes stress and results in dizziness. Prevention of noise pollution: honking in public places like teaching institutes, hospital, etc. should be banned. In commercial places, hospitals, and industrial buildings, adequate soundproof systems should be installed. Musical instruments should be controlled to desirable limits. Dense tree cover is useful to prevent noise pollution as it acts like a wall to cut off sound. So in this session we have learnt about land pollution, noise pollution, and deforestation. So it's project time now. Collect pictures of sources of any one type of pollution and make a collage of the same as your project work. Hope you were able to understand the concept well and contribute to a safe and healthy environment free from pollution. Thank you for watching this video. Until we meet again, stay home and stay safe.